Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. So today's video is another Dollar Tree haul. And so, yeah. I'm trying to work in a different area today, filming my video, so maybe this will work. I don't know. I'm trying to work with what I got, guys. And I've turned my lighting down a little bit on my ring light, so hopefully that will work. But, I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I found. So I'm on this organization kit, guys, and I guess it's just this time of year everyone starts to get, in the organization mood. But I am going to be organizing my spice cabinet. I don't have a spice rack. I have a cabinet with spices, and they're starting to get out of control. So I thought I'm going to have to get something to organize these with. So I found these. These are by Essentials, and it's the step shelf. So I bought 2 of these, and these are really cool. They go in, like they say, step shelf. But they're pretty good size, so hopefully I can get all my spices organized. I don't know. I'm excited to try it. So got those. Speaking of organization, I found some of these. Now this is by Crystalline Housewares. I don't know, but you get 3, and I thought that is an amazing deal. You get 3 of these like pencil holders, I guess is what you want to call them. So you get 3 for $1, and they're zip tied together. But man, that's a really good deal. So I went ahead and grabbed the white ones. Now they did have some in different colors. I just wanted white, so I grabbed the white. Also, speaking of organization, I found these. It's in the Crafter Square section, and it's the Craft Storage Box. Now I know they have these pretty much all the time, and they have them in different colors, but I went ahead and just grabbed 2 of the white ones. I got these because I'm going to be using them for my Kiss artificial nails. I have lots of different artificial nails that I like to wear, so I just thought I wanted to organize them, so I got these. So hopefully that works. Let's see. Okay, so in my Crafter Square section, I've never seen these in my Crafter Square, but I have seen other people haul them. They are the wood planks, and you get 6 in here. Now this was the only package that they had left of these wooden planks. They're just plain little pieces of wood. So I went ahead and got them because I'd never seen them before, and there are so many things that you can do with these. So I thought, heck yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get them. So we'll see what I can do with those. Okay, so this was in my Crafter Square, and these are new to me. They are the wooden letters, and you get 26 in one pack, and I went ahead and just grabbed 2 packs of them because, I don't know, I'm obviously going to need more than what's in there, because I'm sure they don't have 2 of each letter. I don't know, maybe. I doubt it. But so anyway, I grabbed 2 packages just so I hopefully will have enough to make a word. Also in that area, they have the wooden numbers, and you get 20 in here. So I went ahead and just grabbed 2 packages of those. Something that's boring, I needed some more envelopes, so I got these. They are by Mead, and it's the white envelopes. You get 30. And these are the instant sealing, no licking required, which I was like, heck, yes, I am getting those because I hate licking envelopes. They're so disgusting. Oh, so I don't have to lick them anymore. I'm glad. So I went ahead and got those. And I rarely use envelopes, but I was down to my last 2, so I was like, well, I better get some just in case. You never know. Okay, so I wear contact lenses, and I found this lens case, and it's so stinking cute, but it has a bumblebee or a honeybee on there. It's so cute. I'm trying to get that to where the ring light is not oh my gosh, sorry. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's so cute. So yeah, I had to get it. I love these. Let's see. Okay, I have, I put this on my purse, like, ever since the whole, I don't know if I want to say the word or not, the whole COVID thing started. You know, they've been requiring you to wear, you know, to use hand sanitizer and wear masks and all that stuff. But I always carry one of these on my purse. And I bought 3, I think it was, of these at the beginning of like when this all started. And I'm down to my last one. And these are a really good size. You get 3 ounces in here. So I needed some more. So I went ahead and grabbed the coconut lime and the cucumber melon. I don't know. These are just so convenient. Like, I've got this on hooked through my purse. So every time I come out of a store, I put some on. And I don't know. They're awesome. And it's really convenient because it's got this little thing that you can just hook it on to your keychain or the side of your purse or your backpack or whatever. And yeah, so anyway, I needed to get me some more, so I got 2 more of those. Okay, so now we're moving into kind of Eastery stuff. My Dollar Trees are still getting out Easter stuff. I don't know. I heard one lady say that they weren't going to have their Easter stuff out until they could get rid of more of the Valentine stuff because they don't have room. So we'll see. But I did notice they did have some carts with boxes that haven't been unpacked yet that said Easter on them. So I'm sure it's coming soon, probably within the week. But I went ahead and grabbed these little headbands. They have these every year. And they had these in... The ears were different colors, but I really like the pink ones. So I did grab 2 of these, and I didn't get this to wear for myself. I got these because I like to do little DIYs and stuff with these and maybe make wreaths or whatever, Easter wreaths. So I did grab 2 of those. Speaking of their Easter stuff, they have these. And I don't know if they have these every year or not, but this is the first year I think that I've bought them for Easter anyway. But these are the glitter berries. And I went ahead and just grabbed 1 of each color. This one is sort of I don't know if it's yellow or if it's just a cream color. If it's yellow, it's a very, very pale yellow. But I thought they were pretty, and look at these leaves. Look how shiny those are. So I don't know if I'll be using the leaves off these, but I mainly just got them for the berries because, I don't know, I just think they're really pretty. So I did grab one of the kind of pale yellow colors, one of these blue ones, this lavender color, which I think is really pretty, and then this really pale pink, which I think is really pretty. So grab those. And also, I know I hate glitter. I hate glitter. I hate glitter because it gets everywhere. It's really pretty to look at, but it gets everywhere and you can't get it off. But I did see these, and these are the glitter branches. So I did go ahead and grab 1 of each color. And even though these are so pretty, I just hate that glitter falls out. But anyway, I got these really pretty, like, pink. They're a really light pink color. Grab those. And I got these, like a violet, lavender, purpley color. This yellow color. And then this is like a teal green color, which I think is really pretty. So I grabbed 1 of those. They had some of their greenery bouquets. So I just went ahead and grabbed a couple. I grabbed this one, which is the ivy. So grabbed 1 of those. And then this one, I don't know. I don't know what it is. And I'm not good with flowers. But they're just calling it a greenery bouquet. But so I got that. Got that one. Speaking of florals, they also had some new of these spring flowers, and these are, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but agapanthus, I think is how you say it. I don't know. Agapanthus, but I thought these were really pretty, so I grabbed one stem of these really pretty pink. They're like, it's like a fuchsia pink color. Anyway, I thought that was really pretty. So I grabbed one of those, and then I grabbed this white one, this yellow one, this purple one, and this blue one. I think those are really pretty. Okay, so now I'm moving on to makeup, and my leg is falling asleep because I'm sitting in the floor. Okay, so in my last haul or two, I can't remember which one it was, but I hauled the Wet n Wild Photo Focus stick foundations, and I found some more in different colors. So I went ahead and grabbed two more that I thought might be my color. I'm not sure, but we're gonna find out. But so I found this one in Buff Beige, and so yeah, I don't know. That one might be close to my color. It might be a little bit too yellow. I don't know. So I grabbed that one, and then I grabbed this one, which is Shell Bisque. Anyway, I haven't tried these yet. I still haven't tried the ones that I hauled before, but I'm working on it. I've got a lot of new makeup lately from the Dollar Tree, so I've been trying to try out everything. Speaking of, the lipstick that I'm wearing now is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit. I found another one. This one that I'm wearing is the color Cedar Later. And then this one that I found, which I don't think I would ever wear this really, but it's called Late Night Done Right. Late Night Done Right. So, but it's like black. So I got this. Oops. Excuse me. I don't know if I'm going to, I don't think this would be a color that I would wear on a daily basis, or even any, I don't know if I'd ever wear it at all, but maybe for Valentine's, well, maybe Valentine's Day, I guess, but Halloween, maybe you could wear it for Halloween. I don't know, but it was a very different color, so I thought I'd get it. The next thing that I found is the Wet n Wild Mega Slick Lip Gloss, and this one is in the color Strawberry Ice. I've never seen these at my Dollar Tree, so I went ahead and just grabbed this one, and I don't know. I think it's going to be pretty, and since it says ice on it, I'm assuming it's probably going to be kind of like frosty maybe, or I don't know, really shiny, but I don't know. We'll see. So I got that one. And then the last two things that I got are also makeup. And these are the Wet n Wild Mega Last Matte lipstick. And they are both in the color Danger Stay Away. But I just love this packaging. This packaging is so like sleek and I don't know, classy. I just love it. I love that it's just, you know, plain black, and then the lips on there are like this pink or rose gold color. So I think that's really cool. And then one of these I opened already. Oh, this one. And these are both the same color. But this color, I just love it. I love anything that's like a dark berry color. So anyway, I thought that was really pretty. So I went ahead and grabbed two of those. Probably I'll keep one for myself and then one for my daughter. So anyway, yeah, that's it. That's the end of my haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you to everyone that subscribed to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Yeah, so that's the end. Let me know how you like where I'm setting. I don't know if this is a great area or not, but I'm trying out different spaces. We'll just have to see. Hopefully as soon as I get my craft room all organized, I'll be able to film in there is what my goal is. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, I hope that everyone is having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.